That's a pretty wrap. That's so cool. Whoa. Let me admire that real quick. Alright. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Back with another video on the R1M. Recently filmed a review, not really a review, just like a part update walk around of the R1M. If you haven't checked that video out, make sure to check it out. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about a review of, if you guys can't see, I am finally wearing my AGV Pista R helmet, the Iridium edition. I filmed kind of like a setup review where I put like this GoPro mount and set it up right in front of you guys, and right now I'm pretty much testing it out, and I want to give you guys a quick review of, you know, the sound quality, all that stuff, the good and the bad of this helmet. Yeah, so let's start it off with, do you guys want the good stuff or the bad stuff first? Let's do the good stuff first, you know, start it off good. My first good thing that I can talk about this helmet, that it is actually insanely light. Like, this helmet is very, very light, and I really feel that. Like, even before, I had a Scorpion full carbon fiber helmet, and this helmet definitely feels way lighter. Obviously the GoPro is going to add weight because you have the GoPro, you have the GoPro mount, and you have the mic is not going to add much, but you also have your GoPro mic adapter, which you have to attach to the GoPro so you can record your audio. For the audio, I'm gonna let you guys be the judges of the sound, not me, because you guys can probably hear it better, and I want you guys to see like if it's kind of like gets a lot of wind noise or if it's clear. I've been told that the helmet is loud, and I could kind of see that a little bit. The padding, we're supposed to be talking about the good stuff, so I'm gonna save that stuff for a little bit. But yeah, so another good thing about this helmet is that, like, everybody says that this helmet just cuts through the wind, and I totally agree with that. The helmet is like pretty crazy with how kind of like, I feel like there's no wind hitting my face at all. Like, the helmet is so aerodynamic, and AGV shows like the science behind that on their website when you get it, and they tested all that stuff, and I really believe it. Like, right now, if you go and stick your head out of a car window, going like 45-50 miles an hour, and you just stick your head out, your head is gonna go back. Right now, I kid you guys not, I feel like 0% wind. It's almost like I have a windshield in front of me. So people aren't lying when they say this helmet is like crazy aerodynamic. It really is. I mean, honestly, there's not much I can talk about the helmet, you know what I mean? The helmets are mainly for safety, and I haven't thankfully crashed in the helmet yet. Obviously, this helmet is what Rossi uses, the AGV Pista R is what Rossi uses for the track, and this is like mainly a track helmet, so obviously it's going to be super safe. It'll definitely protect you in any sort of crash. This is one of the best helmets, and obviously I trust it with that because MotoGP riders trust it with that. And other than that, it's safe. He didn't know I was filming. He wanted a little pull, so you gotta give the people what they like. Look at this beautiful sunset. I've been riding during sunset because, guys, it's been like insanely hot here. It's like 100 degrees, 90 degrees out during the day, so like those are some like really bad temperatures, and I don't want to like be burning, and I can't kind of like go out with my messed up. Oh, I popped it into neutral. Oh, I think I need to clean my chain. I heard my chain squeak a little bit. But yeah, it's been really hot, so I haven't really been riding much during the day, mainly around sunset, just like right now. So yeah, as I was saying, there's not much to talk about with like how good the helmet is. The helmet is very aerodynamic, which I totally like can vouch for. It's crazy how I can feel no wind on my face. The helmet is insanely safe, and it's a crazy light. Those are like pretty much the important things that you look for when you're getting a helmet. Safety, number one, obviously. Obviously comfort for a lot of people, which is going to be one of the bad things about this helmet. The pads are really thin because this is a race helmet, so comfort is not their main concern. Safety is one of their main concerns for this helmet, but you kind of expect that when you buy a track MotoGP type of helmet, you know what I mean? So I'm not kind of like big on that. I don't really mind it as much that it's not comfortable. I'm riding a sport bike, so you know, my main goals. Those are really nice houses. The entrance alone looks wild. Whoa, chopper. But yeah, comfort isn't my main concern. Obviously in longer rides, if this is going to be your only helmet, I definitely would suggest you get like another helmet that's more for kind of like street riding, more comfort. But if this is your second helmet, so far I really like it. Not the most comfortable, but it's okay. I don't know if you guys voted for this helmet. I put a poll on my YouTube and you guys voted for this helmet over the Scorpion Carbon Air or something like that. So that's why I got it. And also, obviously, it's an AGV Pista RR. I love the look of it. It just looks insanely aggressive. I bet it looks insane on this R1M too, especially with the Iridium edition with those like blue and purple flakes. Another thing I want to talk about, a lot of people's main concern is that the helmet is really loud. Currently, I have, you know how most helmets have vents up top where you can kind of like open and close for airflow? This helmet doesn't have a tab. It has like little plastic pieces they actually like put on and peel off. And which might seem kind of like stupid that such an expensive helmet doesn't have a tab, but I get it for like weight savings and all of that. Since it's a track helmet, I totally understand why they did that, because those like little rubber pieces are not going to affect weight much. But yeah, the helmet is a little bit louder than my other helmet, but honestly with these rubber tabs on, it's not really that bad, so I actually don't mind it that much. I wonder how the audio quality is going to be. As I said, like, leave comments down below of how the audio on this helmet is, because I really want to know, you know what I mean? Because obviously I care a lot about YouTube and I want to hear you guys' opinions about this helmet and if it sounds good or not. Because if it doesn't, I'm actually gonna get another helmet, use that as my kind of motovlogging helmet, and just keep this helmet for, like, you know, I don't know, track or whatever it is, because I am gonna be going to the track soon. I believe that pretty much covers everything about this helmet. Obviously the helmet is pretty expensive, but you pay for quality, you know what I mean? Give you guys a little pull in the end to hear that beautiful toast exhaust. And that pretty much covers this video. It's just a little review of the AGV Pista RR helmet. Ooh, I love catching myself in the reflection. This R1M looking good. Also, I hear all you guys' shit talk about me not wearing gear. I addressed that in the last video, and I told you guys that I am going to be wearing gloves pretty much after like 2 or 3 days, because that is when I'm gonna be I have a doctor's appointment and they're gonna check if my thumb is good or if it's healing right, because currently the gloves are too tight to be to wear them with my finger. The helmet is a little bit suffocating. That's another part I want to talk about. Pretty much it though. Let me find out where my friends are. Hell yeah, I'm riding the bike again. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Chilling. Ooh, the bike looks good in the lights. Where'd they go?
They went to Home Depot.
What? All of them? Yeah. There's like 10 people in here.
There were 10?
Okay, maybe I'm over exaggerating. I'm filming a video. You're gonna be on YouTube.
Oh, hi!
But yeah, I guess we're waiting for them here. I'm gonna sign out. Be right back. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Peace out.